interesting to hear what other people's occupation would be, like especially some that you wouldn't normally hear by most people. It's interesting.
It was really exciting to know everyone's profession and their interests.
Yeah, I mean, I like listening or hearing everyone else's or everyone's here ideas of their what they want to do in the future. I heard really like wide or vast ideas. It's actually really interesting, and it's really good that you have ideas on your plan in the future. So, which is really good. Good job, everyone.